So today's problem down on the farm, so to speak, is the topper. And you can see this is broken away here, and my previous attempts to welding it up weren't quite strong enough. So the first thing we're going to have to do is disconnect all of this, level up the back wheel so it's nice and flat to work on, cut this off, and try and put it back together. Okay, so we got that bit off. It took a bit longer than I would have thought. But we're going to have to take this bit off as well, I think, now, to be able to make the plate, because it's cracked all the way up here. So we'll take this plate off as well and weld it back on later. Put a repair plate in here. So sorry, put a repair plate on this piece, put it all back together. That's about, I don't know, 20 minutes so far. Right, starting to get everything prepared now, so I've got everything off that needs to come off. This bit's all away, and I'm now starting to take off the old welds. Once I've got rid of the old welded material, I'll try and get some heat on this and some clamps and see if I can straighten it up. Okay, we're getting there. So we've done some grinding, cleaned off all those bits of metal as best as I can. Tried to clean along here because that'll need welded up again. There's my rubbishy weld from before in there, but I'm not sure I'm going to get to that. I might just try and fix this bit over here and bend that up because it's so close to the tyre. And hopefully I'll fit a plate across there. Okay, so I'm having a bit of difficulty bending this bit of metal back to where I want it. So the plan is, I'm going to use this bit of pipe, I'm going to weld it on about there and use the leverage to see if I can bend it back up. And I might apply some heat with my blowtorch to this area. Okay, that's the welder all fired up. I've got a little weld on here, put the earth, the welder, the mask, big gloves. So let's see if it will bend. Nope, we're getting nothing there. I'm going to have to get some heat on it. Okay, so we've got it a little bit straighter. You can see the gap I've managed to bend away to nothing. I've got some clamps on there and I've cleaned that up ready for welding. This bit here, I'm really struggling to get it straight. So what I'm going to do is weld up along here, get that together. Going to put the pipe back on there and then see if I can bend that up on its own before I weld the fixing plate. Having another go at the welding today. I did a bit of YouTube last night and my attempts were really rubbish, so this is this morning's attempt. Just about to pip off some of that slack. Well, it's not perfect, but it's better than yesterday's attempt. Now we're all finished up. I decided to re-weld it anyway, as I said, so it doesn't look terrible, but it'll hold it, I'm sure.